Righto. Let him go. What? Big wind. There's a good headwind against them, so we'll see how they go today. Like a big headwind against them. Good test for him. Yeah, they'll do a few circles. Look at that wind taking, mate. Geez, that's a solid wind. Now they're heading towards Narrabri. Didn't take them long.